So this is a short video to show you the best way of putting this very small tube onto the spigot. And if you just try and put it on with it cold, it's just not going to go on. You'll get very frustrated. So tools you're going to need, I have a small it's not a screw, it's a scriber basically, so it just comes to a point, all right, and it flanges out. I have some tube cutters, very important to keep the end of the tube cut square, a little heat lighter, and then a special pair of pliers that I've made up, nylon jaws, and they have a hole in them for gripping the tube but without actually squishing it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the scribe here, and we're just going to push it into the end of the tube and just open it up so that it's open on the end, so it's flanged. Okay, so I'm just going to push that in, open it up so it's flanged. So the next part is I'm just going to use the lighter then, after I've flanged the end, I'm just going to very quickly melt the end, just heat it up, and then the short tube goes onto the top. You're going to push it on, all right, so that it just starts like that, and then a quick heat up again, and then I'm going to use the pliers now with that little hole that I made on, and I'm going to push it all the way on until it reaches all the way down like that. Okay, and you can see how that now goes all the way down to the bottom, and that's a nice tight fit. Okay, then we fit this into the print head, bend the tube around, and then this part goes up into the solenoid valve. So what we're going to do then is cut that with the cutters and make a nice clean cut and push it into the solenoid valve. Okay.